वेलकम टू इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट इंस्टाग्राम एंड टेलीग्राम टेस्ट सीरीज पोर्टल स्टेनियोग्राफी वर्ल्ड में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
Trial passage is coming. Be ready for it. 3, 2, 1, start. In response, it is contended by the TSPs that segmented offers as found by TDSAT in the impugned order constitute confidentially designed trade practices. Therefore, the TDSAT held that there is no need for reporting. But at the same time, TDSAT allowed the application to seek for the TSPs the number of segmented offers made available to their existing customers, along with a declaration that the principles of non discrimination were being followed. Now, main passage is coming. Be ready for it. 3, 2, 1, start. Pending the appeals against the final order passed by Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, which is the appellant in the appeals, has come up with this application for an interim direction to the respondents to disclose information details sought by the appellant regarding segmented offers. We have heard Mr. Tushar Mehta, learned Solicitor General for the application appellant, namely try Mr. Aspi Chinoy, learned Senior Counsel for respondent. Since unnecessary details, the circumstances leading to the present application can be summarized as follows. In exercise of powers conferred by Section 11(1)(b), first read with Section 11(2) of the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997, TRAI issued an order, namely the Telecommunication Tariff 63rd Amendment Order 2018, dated 16 February 2018, challenging the said tariff order. Bharti Airtel Limited, Idea Cellular Limited, and Vodafone Mobile Services Limited filed appeals in telecom appeals numbers 1, 2, and 3 of 2018 before the TDSAT. Primarily, the challenge was to the reporting requirements and significant market power. Yet another grievance was about the insistence of TRAI about the disclosure of segmented discounts concessions. Pending appeals before TDSAT, the telecom service providers sought interim stay of the tariff order. TDSAT issued an interim arrangement on 24 April 2018, staying the relevant clauses relating to the reporting requirements and the definition of SMP. However, the tribunal permitted TRAI to ask for details of segmented discounts concessions for analysis. At the same time, the service providers were exempted from disclosing the names of their customers and other sensitive information. Challenging the interim arrangement so issued by TDSAT on 24 April 2018, TRI filed writ petitions before the High Court of Delhi. By a judgment dated 4 May 2018, the writ petition were dismissed, however, with a request to the tribunal to dispose of the appeals as expeditiously as possible. Thereafter, TDSAT heard the appeals finally and allowed them partially by a final order dated 13 December 2018. By this order, TDSAT set aside the Telecom Tariff 63rd Amendment Order insofar as it changes the concepts of SMP, non-predation and the related provisions. It is against the said final order of TDSAT that TRI has come up with the above civil appeals. On 21st January 2018, the appeals were admitted. However, on the prayer for stay, this court recorded there will be no stay of the impugned judgment except to the extent of remand. Thereafter, the appellant, namely TRI, has come up with this application in interlocutory appeal number 46116 of 2020, seeking an interim direction to the service providers to disclose information details sought by the appellant regarding the segmented offers.